Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about positivity and motivation under employability skill course unit 3. Previous class we discussed about what is the positivity. In positivity we have gone through developing positive thinking and developing positive attitude, driving out negativity. Out of these three topics, discuss developing positive thinking. Today, we are going to see the remaining part of positivity is developing positive attitude and driving out negativity. After this positivity, we are going to see motivation. Guys, informed previous class, positivity is a state of mind. Thinking in a prospective manner is a positivity. In this, positive thinking is a primary step to enter into positive attitude. After developing positive thinking, the next step is a positive attitude. Very simple to say that it's an attitude is the way we present ourselves in a particular situation. Certainly, everybody has different attitude. It's a way of thinking in a particular situation is an attitude. If you think in a prospective way, that attitude become good or positive. If you think the situation in a negative sense, it would become a bad. This diagram also showing that positivity giving good optimistic result. When the positivity is not there, that attitude will become bad. It's called pessimistic. So define this positive attitude, simple term, as an optimism means a tendency to expect the best possible outcome or dwell on the most hopeful aspect of a situation. Simple. When you are in a particular situation or work, when you expect the result is a prospective, that would become an optimism. That optimism itself is a positive attitude. For instance, a student before preparing any competitive examination or company training, you need to have a positive result attitude. That automatically gives a positive attitude. That means here you are expecting the result going to success in examination, maybe in competitive or company examinations. This is the reason we call it as a optimism is a one way of giving a positive result from positive attitude. Here I gave different types of attitudes. In previous time also gone through the positive attitude, negative attitude and neutral attitude. In nutshell, we call it as the way of thinking gives a prospective result, that is called a positive attitude. When a thinking gives a pessimistic result is called negative attitude. Between positive and negative, the state of mind is called neutral attitude. Let we discuss about one by one. A positive attitude certainly creates from these characteristics. When you have the confidence, optimism, cheerfulness or happiness, sincerity, sense of responsibility, flexibility, determination, reliability, tolerance, willingness to adapt, humility, diligence. Very simple to express these characteristics. When an individual has these characteristics, automatically the results would be positive. That is called a positive attitude. Because of these characteristics, the individual will get. Certainly, first and foremost is a confidence. You need to have confidence on you, confidence on situation, confidence on your work, confidence on self. All these are helping to get a positive result. This is called a positive attitude. I think there are different examples in the present society. Many business tycoons or business industrialists have the confidence, optimism, and also cheerfulness and determination while doing their business, particularly Tata community. They have the confidence since starting from long back with the small business to the big Tata industry, everywhere they have the confidence and also optimistic towards the future, and always they are sincere towards work and determination and reliable everywhere. In the positive sense, it gives a positive attitude. Even you can find in athletics or in job profile, everywhere individuals have these characteristics will get positive attitude. The second one is a negative attitude. Because of these characteristics, everybody will get negative result that would become negative attitude. Anger, hatred, pessimism, frustration, doubt, resentment, jealousy, inferiority. These are the characteristics of the negative attitude. Most of the time you can find when you are not planned, when you are not in a positive mood, you are going to get these type of characters during your work. Automatically your attitude will become negative, the results also would be negative. I think most of the present generation, particularly youth, are not in position to have the patience. Because of the lack of patience, anger, hatred, instead of optimism, pessimism, frustration, all these things are getting results of negative attitude. Next, between positive and negative, we will have one attitude is called a neutral attitude. This is called complaisance, indifference, detachment, feeling to being disconnected, unemotional. This is also one way of sign of negative sense, but a neutral attitude sometimes is good, sometimes is bad. Always try to reach negative to neutral, neutral to positive. Guys, these three types of attitudes are called types of attitude. Next, we are going to see positive attitude and its meaning. In general, having a positive attitude means being optimistic about situation, interactions, and yourself. From this, we come to know generally an individual will get attitude or positive attitude because of situation, because of interaction, and because of yourself. I think so many influences or instances or situations will influence the individual to think in a positive way. And interactions also sometimes will give positive attitude. And finally yourself. So guys, most of the time a student is living in a society with the friends community. When your friend is a positive way of doing task, you are also going to become thinking in a positive. When a situation is not favor, automatically you are also going to think a negative way. So positive, negative, just because of these three situations. One is a situation, and second one is a interaction, and third one is a yourself. Next, people with a positive attitude can remain hopeful and see the best even in difficult situation. Certainly, nowadays students and employees and social being animal, we call it as a human being, are facing this situation. In difficult situation, you need to think a positive way. In contrast, those with the negative attitude may be more pessimistic and disagreeable and typical expect the worst possible outcome in tough situation. If you are not balanced in a difficult situation or problematic situation, automatically the results would become, we call it as a pessimistic results, or sometimes the decisions are disagreeable. Guys, nowadays in placement hiring also, employer choose the employee based on attitude. In a particular situation, how the employee behaves. This is also very important factor while selecting an employee in an organization. Maybe IT sector or manufacturing sector or service sector, wherever you go, they need to see your attitude balance. When the situation is normal, being a positive is not a greatness. When the situation is a worst or in a difficult, you need to act as a positive is an important task to an employee. This is the reason many companies are giving many situations or many tests to test yourself, to check yourself whether you are strong enough physically or mentally. Most of the time you need to have mental positive attitude to get positive results. Next, the benefits from positive attitude, I think there are enormous. We call it as a big number of list here. Positive attitude. In previous time also we discussed about positive thinking benefit. Almost similar over here. Positive attitude benefits are helps achieving goals and attain health. No doubt at all. Two-way benefit. One way you are getting or reaching the goal, and also you are getting a health or sustaining good health. These two helps are getting from positive attitude. Certainly in the present globalization or digital market or digital world, people are lacking this positive attitude. Because of that, they are not able to reach the goal and also not maintaining sustainable health. Second, success achieved faster and more easily. No doubt at all. Here, success achieved faster and more easily means there are different numerous examples are helping us to know about positive attitude gives a better achievement or fast achievement and also easy way to get the result. And third one, more happiness and more energy. All are mental health and physical health linked with the positive attitude. And fourth one, greater inner power and strength. No doubt at all. When you have the positive attitude, your results will be giving positive and a prospective or optimistic, then automatically your internal strength and internal power would boosting. And fifth one, the ability to inspire and motivate others and ourselves. Certainly, when you are getting positive result and you are reaching the goals, when you are finishing the task in time, certainly you are going to motivate your co-workers and your co-employees or your staff group members to reach the target and inspire the people and motivate the people. And sixth one, the ability to surmount any difficulty. It is a one by one, it's a chain process, it's a link related. So once you have the positive mindset, then result will be the positive. When the result is a positive, your confidence will increase, your internal strength and power also would influence to surface any type of situation when difficulty arises. I think now you can find, particularly in athletics, when you fail one time, your attitude is a positive, automatically second time you are going to reach the target. Even movies also you might find how the particular individual in athletic facing different problems during participation and events, sometimes failing, sometimes winning, but your winning attitude always giving during a difficulty time. And seventh one, life smiles at us. I think this is a ultimate, we call it as a cheerfulness. You will get a cheerful and happiness when you are going to becoming all these characteristics. And eighth one, people respect us. Face is index of the mind. When you have the positive attitude, your actions would become a positive and results would become prospective, and finally your internal strength and power glowing your face, and automatically people respect us. And ninth one, look at a bright side of life. I think here, a bright side of the life in the sense here, there are two sides of our life. One is a positive way and negative way. When you are going to see the positive way, then automatically your life also going to become bright. And tenth one, choose to be and stay optimistic. Here, you need to choose the best one and keep the optimistic result. And 11, find reasons to smile more often. This is a one by one linked with the result, which is called reasons to smile and more often. Certainly you have to or try to find where do you find the happiness, where do you find prospect, there you have to stick on. So such a way you need to think sometimes. Last one is the 12th one, visualize only what we want to happen. Certainly when you are in the positive mood, certainly the results would be visualized, are going to give the result in a positive sense. Then, okay, positive thinking, positive attitude, all are giving benefits to the individual, at workplace, at society. But how we are going to driving out negativity, erase negativity, very important. Many people, particularly 60% of these people in society struggling with the negativity. A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You cannot go anywhere until you change it. Certainly, when you get damage with a vehicle tire, whether it may be four-wheeler or two-wheeler is not the matter, you cannot go further unless you repair it. That means here you need to change the tire, or else you need to get repaired with the tire. That means here the negativity never gives any further positivity. Certainly you need to driving out, you need to eradicate, you need to change, you need to get out from this negative attitude. For this we are going to see the driving out negativity, how we are going to relieve from this negative attitude. So this is a last topic of positivity, then we go to the motivation, next part. Here, negativity limits your potential to become something great and life fulfilling, purposeful life. It has a tangible effect on your health too, really. Here, negativity not only limits your potentiality, it gives or damages to your physical health also. Then research has shown that people who cultivate negative energy experience more stress, more sickness, and less opportunity over the course of their lives than those who choose to live positivity. Here, the research also given the results that the people who are positive in their life compared with the people who are more stress and more sickness, generally these people of positivity will dominate the people who are feeling the stress. That means here negativity energy always giving problems, positive energy gives benefits. Here stress, sickness and lack of opportunities, all are the results of negative attitude. And prospectiveness only comes from the positive attitude. Even researchers also claim. Learning how to get rid of negative can have significant effect on your mental health. Certainly, how to get rid of it, how to eradicate, how to get out from this negativity, we are going to see in the next slide. Here, now driving out negative or get rid of negative energy and become more positive. When you are thinking in a positive sense, then automatically negative energy will be losing, or negative energy will be leaving out from the individual. So the following factors or suggestions I have made to driving out or rid of negative energy to become positive attitude. Here one by one we'll see, be grateful everything. Certainly here, for every situation, you should feel that the positive result will come. It is helpful to me. Whenever you think, automatically you will get positive mindset. Laugh more, especially at yourself. This is a one type of exercise. Here, researchers also given recent days, when you laugh more, physical strength will help you mental stability also. It gives positive attitude and driving out negativity. Help others. Since ages, even mythology also expressed that helping others to our society always gives boosting energy of positive. Direct your thinking away from negative energy. Certainly, here also you have to divert your mindset from negative to positive. Surround yourself with the positive people. Always your group, your friendship, your companion, always to be positive. Automatically the results would become positive. Turn negative energy into positive action. Take full responsibility. Set reasonable goals. Display the award. Be a critical thinker, not a critical person. Detach from bad news. Drop your distortions. I think all these things are helping to an individual from negative to positive. I would give a best example how Alibaba, who is a startup company in China, this Alibaba company started by an individual who is known to everyone, is a Alibaba CEO. That CEO failed many times, but he never think of negativity. He tried 24 interviews. Finally, he got a teacher job. From teacher job, he started Alibaba. Now it became one of the big IT company in China market. Like KFC is known to everyone. This is a chicken and non-vegetarian food seller. That KGF, the owner himself is at the age of 65. He started business. Almost 50 plus businesses he started but failed. Finally, KFC finally got success. Always being a student, you have to think negative, eradicate negative and eliminate negative attitude. Automatically the positive results will come. I shared few examples which are helping to an individual to make success. Thank you guys. Next class we are going to see motivation. From motivation we are going to see different theories. Thank you.